Feeling overwhelmed by where to start with downsizing? This simple method will change everything. Hi, this is David Lenoir, your local realtor, with some downsizing tips for today. A common mistake people often make when downsizing is to focus on the entire home at the same time. That likely becomes very overwhelming. So what I like to recommend to people is that they focus on thinning out specific rooms or categories of items. If your new home's outdoor spaces are maintained by an association, you can probably just get rid of all of your yard gear. Downsizing a kitchen or home office may take a little more work. For a kitchen, start with what you want to keep and set that aside. Make sure it's actually going to fit in a smaller space, and then you actually use that stuff regularly in your new home. For a home office, consider a laptop or even an iPad instead of a larger desktop machine. Gather important paperwork, insurance policies, wills, card titles, bank statements, etc., and put them in one file. Almost everything else can be recycled or scanned for future reference. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me at 617-682-0484. Thank you.